Hey there, Behind the Screams fans, family, and whoever you may be. I'm here at Cedar Point today, about to check on Mean Streak and the Gemini Midway because it's pretty. Very nice today. So I meant to record another video from our last trip, but I recorded half of it. But Fast Lane is now sponsored by Takis. Yeah. Six Flags would be jealous, but here comes Gemini. Fun ride. Yeah, so we're gonna check on Main Streak. I'm gonna go eat some Frontier Inn now. Check on Main Streak. Do all that. So recently I've seen photos of the lift hill starting to be assembled. So that's exciting. I don't see anyone playing Money Train. That's just something I'll do later though, play Money Train. Alright, Gemini. I don't know why I'm still recording, but hey, how are you doing? There's the first view, well, first good view we have on Main Streak. As you can see, since the last time I've recorded, it's been a while. Haven't recorded a Main Streak update in a long time. So I apologize. Oh, we have some Rocky Mountain crew people on the mid-course. You zoom in, you can see them up there. They're probably installing some brakes. The train to slow down. Beautiful, beautiful stuff. And to our next stop, we will go to Mean Streak. I'll eat Frontier Inn later. This is exciting me. Today at Cedar Point, it isn't too busy, but it is kind of busy. There's Mine Ride. I've heard some rumors that Frontier Town is going to get the main focus for expansion in the next couple years, and that Cedar Creek Mine Ride may not be lasting much longer. I don't know. I personally don't care for it, but it'd be sad not to see it here. It'll be like what I think of Mean Streak. I'm kind of happy it's not here, but I like the view of Mine Ride. How pretty it is. I just hope we don't get a B&M flyer because that's too generic for me. I need something from Intamin. Another Intamin in Frontier Town would be great. Then you have two Intamins back here and a Rocky Mountain coaster. I think that's a pretty good area of the park.
Yeah.
So, as you can see, they are indeed assembling lift hill today. The Rocky Mountain cranes are high up work. Or high at work, you should say. Yeah, that looks great. And here we have Mav Bay, or Maverick, whatever you want to call it. It's personally my favorite ride here. Great ride. Oh, and the Mean Streak poster is over there. The teaser, or what people are calling teasers. Oh, we got some high action Rocky Mountain people working on the structure right now. Look at that. Some brave people. I wouldn't want to be up there. Well, I kind of would, but kind of scary being up there alone. They had this area blocked off, that's why I didn't film. Now it's back. Oh God, smoke. Now we have the landscaping project. Another Rocky Mountain employees up there doing something. Maybe he'll wave. I don't know. Looks like he has some sort of rope for a harness, maybe. Let's see. Lots of changes. There's where you would enter, but I don't know where you're gonna really enter this time. They have a really twisty / straight Rocky Mountain track there, among other things. It's really fun. Can't wait to ride. We have 2 of them now up there. I'm also taking photos for CoasterNet right now. Go check out those photos when they're up. We're going to be restarting the vlog section, so that's exciting. It's all construction. I'll just walk down the stairs. Let's cut through this Frontier Town Emporium and go record more. And voila, we are back. There's Maverick doing its thing. Oh, we have more of those posters up. Looks like we have more of those up right here. I didn't see those. We got more possible teaser photos. That would explain that they're coming, because one's wearing a cowboy hat, one isn't. And over here we have more Rocky Mountain track waiting to go into place. That's pretty cool. No worries. So that'll probably do it for all the Mean Streak updates. If you like what we do, please subscribe to us, like this video, share this video on your feeds, whatever. Oh, hold on, we got more. We got movement. Or how'd that work? I don't think there's another track section over there they need to put up, but oh, maybe, actually. Do we got possible track going up? I don't know. Do we? I don't know. Let's check that out, actually. got 2 new posters. This is where the track is going to get really low here. So I'm really excited to see what they do with this. All this low section. Oh, if you're a big merchandise vendor like I am, I'm not that big of a merchandise spender, but if you are, you know, it's good. You're funding these parks. Oh boy, now I really don't know where they're going to enter because I didn't see this before. That's really low to the ground. You can't just put your entrance there. So, oh, and here comes the train. Luckily for us, we don't have these annoying gate things. Comes a Rocky Mountain employee. Doesn't know he's being videotaped, but whatever. Really curious to see if this haunt is going to be open. Because obviously, you have some minor construction on the way. Minor, but whatever. Nailing something into place. Awesome. So I was gonna do it for every. I'm just gonna end this now. There's a lot going on. I'm gonna get this up ASAP to make this newest, but that is gonna do it for all of the Main Street feed for the day. If you like what we do, oh, there's a guy with a camera. He's probably works for the park. More coming. There's hashtag. Sorry, can't speak today. Hashtag they're coming teaser, possibly, maybe. I don't know. Maybe that's a Cedar Point intern. But if you like what we do, please subscribe to us. We definitely need it. And if you want more, comment. Tell us what you think of this amazing RMC so far. And we will see ya. Oh, and be sure to check out those pictures that I'm taking on coasternet.com. They're greatly appreciated. Thank you.